The lines L1 and L2 above are two parallel lines. See the lines L1, L2. You can see the arrows on them. Find the angles A, B, C, D, and E. The lines L1 and L2, they are two parallel lines with a transversal crossing over the two lines. For us to find the angles A, B, C, D, and E, we are going to make use of our knowledge on angles. Solution. First, we are going to start by finding the angle A. The angle A and the angle 100 degrees are straight line angles. That means they sum up to 180 degrees. Take the first step. A plus 100 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. They are straight line angles. Then, to make A the subject of formula, A will be equal to 180 degrees minus 100 degrees. And this will give us our A to be equal to 80 degrees. Knowing the angle A, we can find the angle B. The angle A and B, they are vertically opposite angles. Take 2 star. The angles A and B are vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles are equal. That means A is equal to B. Then our angle B will simply be equal to A, which is 80 degrees. We take 3 star. For 3 star, we have to find the angle C. The angles B and C are co-interior angles. The angles B and C are co-interior angles. And co-interior angles, they sum up to 180 degrees. That means B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. Then, if we make C the subject formula, C will be equal to 180 degrees minus B. Our C will be equal to 180 degrees minus B, which is 80 degrees. This will give us the angle C to be equal to 100 degrees. We take a 4 star. We have to find the angle D. The angle C and D, they are straight line angles. C and D are straight line angles. It simply means if you take the angle C plus the angle D, it should be equal to 180 degrees. Then the angle D will be equal to 180 degrees minus the angle C. Then our D will be equal to 180 degrees minus C, which is 100 degrees. And the angle D will simply be equal to 80 degrees. We have to find the angle E. take a 5 star. For us to find the angle E and the angle C, they are vertically opposite angles. That means they are equal. C and E are vertically opposite angles. C is equal to E. Then the angle E will simply be equal to the angle C, which is 100 degrees. Another way of finding the angle E is by making use of the fact that the angles D and E, they are straight line angles. That means they sum up to 180 degrees. Take this E plus D is equal to 180 degrees. Then the angle E will be equal to 180 degrees minus the angle D, and the angle D is 80 degrees. 180 degrees minus 80 degrees gives us 100 degrees, the same result. But this is another approach of getting the result. We are done with the solution. If in case you have any worries, feel free to drop your questions at the comment section. Please like the video, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.